Hey rockers, how you doing? Today I'm just playing around with colors. I'm going to play around with dark purple and light purple. Thanks for all the subscribers, all the viewers. Finally hit 50,000 views, which I thought is amazing. Thank you. I don't know if I want to go from dark to light or light to dark. Let's try dark to light. I'm just going to throw it on here. Go in a circle. It's kind of cool. And go with light to dark, maybe. That ain't gonna work, is it? Yeah, that's gonna clash with this one. Turn my fan on and dry it. Let's try something else. Let's try something else. Let's try a different color. Let's try a different color. Let's try a different color. Yeah, I was sleeping great. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. And I must have dreamed that something crawled across my head because I jumped out of bed like I was on fire. I ripped my room apart. Of course, there's nothing in my room. And you can really go to sleep after that, you know. Drove me crazy. So I figured I'd paint. So here we are. Let's try a different color. Hmm. You know what I could do? I could go half and half. Actually, that looks better. That looks better. Go half and half. This kind of looks like a flower. It does kind of look like a flower. Oops. It's terrible. Terrible. Let's get some different paint. Made a funny bird. Excuse me. Now that I got paint left over, let's paint something real quick like. Let's do something real small. Got a bunch of purple. So let's go with quick background color. I don't need the fan on anymore. Just do a quick little tree. Just show it in there however you want. I know you can't really see it right now. But using a dark purple for the shadowing. Actually, might have picked up some black. Might have picked up some black. What we could do is I wonder where my other brush went. Huh. Oh well. I guess I'll just do it with this one. It's a wobbly rock. There you go, quick and easy. Little tree. Hope you enjoyed the session, just messing around with paints. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know if you want me to draw or paint something, trees, or might do another barn again. I like doing barns and trees. Thank you for being here. I'm going to try to go back to bed. See how that goes. Have a great day, or night, or morning.